Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 7.2. Before starting the exercise 7.2, we have two important theorems. The theorem 7.2 in your NCERT book is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angle opposite to equal side of आइसोसेल ट्राइंगल. आपके पास एक आइसोसेल ट्राइंगल है. आइसोसेल ट्राइंगल मीन्स टू अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. ए बी सी इज ए ट्राइंगल. सपोज ए बी एंड ए सी आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट एंगल अपोजिट टू देम. We have angle B and angle C. Angle B is opposite to AC and angle C is opposite to AB. So theorem said if sides are equal then their opposite angle will be equal. We have given AB is equal to AC and we have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Then we have to make a construction here to prove our result. We will draw a angular bisector AD. We will draw a angular bisector AD. So how we will solve the solution? We will take this two triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we are going to make them congruent. We have two triangle. AD divide the triangle in two part which are ABD and ACD. So in ABD, AB is equal to AC. It is already given in the question. AB is equal to AC given. Then we know that AD is common part of two triangle. So definitely it is going to be common and equal. Then we have angular bisector. What we said, AD is angular bisector. So suppose it is 1, it is 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are also equal. This is our construction. That's why triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side rule. We have two side and intermediate angle are equal to another triangle. So that's why angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. We have one more theorem. The side, now it is converse, the side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. If we have two equal angle in a triangle, then the side opposite to them are going to be equal. So we have a triangle ABC. We have angle B and angle C are equal. It is given angle B is equal to angle C. We have to prove AB equal to AC. So we have to make a construction because the information given is not sufficient. We will draw a angular bisector AD. AD is angular bisector of BAC. AD is angular bisector of BAC. Solution. So AD divide the triangle in two part. So we have two triangle ABD and ACD. So here we have AD is a common side in both triangle and we have two pair of equal angles which are angle B and angle C. Angle B and angle C are equal, it is given, and one pair we have made a construction that AD is bisector. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That's why triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by the rule angle side. That's why AB equal to AC, because corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Now we have to start exercise 7.2. We have the first question. In an isosceles triangle ABC, we have a isosceles triangle ABC in which AB and AC are equal. The bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So BO and CO are bisector of angle B and C respectively. They meet each other at O point. Join A to O. We have to join A to O. So we have to prove OB equal to OC and AO bisect angle A. So given हम लिखेंगे जो हमें given है क्वेश्चन में, AB equal to AC, BO and CO are angular bisector of angle B and C. Then we will write prove. हमें क्या prove करना है? So we have two part to prove, part 1 and part 2. So I am solving the question now. Solution. So this is isosceles triangle ABC. So AB equal to AC, it is given, and we have a theorem that angle opposite to equal side are equal. That's why angle B and angle C are equal. We have a triangle ABC. AB and AC are equal. That's why opposite angle are always equal, B and C. If B and C are equal, then their half part are also equal, half of B, half of C. And we know that BO and CO are bisector. So it means this angle 1 and this angle 2 are respectively half part of B and C, and they must be equal. 1 and 2 are equal. And we had a theorem, if angle are equal, then their opposite side are always equal. So in triangle OBC, angle 1 और angle 2 equal हैं, तो OB is equal to OC. Okay, so here we have to write the reason also, that angle are equal, then side are equal. If sides are equal, their opposite angle are equal. So this is first part. Then we have second part. We have to prove AO bisect angle A. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We have to take two triangles and we will make them congruent. So AOB and AOC. We have two triangle AOB and AOC. So we know that AO is common side in both triangle. We know that AB is equal to AC. It is already given. We know that OB equal to OC because we already proved in part 1. So by side rule, AOB and AOC are congruent to each other. If these two triangles are congruent, then angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. So angle 3 and 4 are equal. It means AO bisect the angle A. So you can prove AOB and AOC congruent by another rule also. We have AB and AC are equal. AB and AC are equal. OB and OC are also equal according to part 1. And we will take this 5 and 6 angle. We can take this because they are half of B and C. 5 and 6 are equal. साइड एंगल साइड से भी आप इसको कर सकते हो, क्योंकि जो हमारा ट्रिपल एस रूल है वो हमारे नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में आता है. तो ये आपकी चॉइस है, आप पहले भी कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज हम बाद में भी सीख सकते हैं ट्रिपल एस रूल को. वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ABC triangle we have AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular on BC and it bisect also. D is midpoint. So it is given. So we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we have to prove AB equal to AC. So I am going to solve the question. It is very easy question. So we have to prove AB equal to AC. For this we will prove triangle ABD and triangle ACD that they are congruent triangle. We have to prove ABD and ACD are congruent triangle. So AD is common in both triangle. We have angle 1 and angle 2 are 90 degree, are right angle, and BD equal to CD because D is a midpoint. So side angle side rule say ABD and ACD are congruent to each other. That's why corresponding part AB and AC must be equal. तो उम्मीद आपको आज का लेक्चर समझ में आया होगा. तो आगे के लिए हमसे जुड़े रहिए. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.